Hey folks, Chad here at Stouffville Toyota. Today I wanted to show you a trade we just had come in. It's a 2018 Tacoma. It's the Access Cab. This vehicle is a 4-cylinder with the two-wheel drive. It's a nice truck. It's gray. It has a gray cloth interior there. It's got the rear view camera, Bluetooth, automatic transmission. Again, it is the Access Cab here, so you do have 2 additional seats in the rear. This truck was traded in with a nice hard tonneau cover on there. Alloy wheels, all-season tires. See, it does have a tow package there for you. The rear camera, as I mentioned. Inside the back, it has the composite liner. It's definitely a great chance to save some money on the truck here with the 4-cylinder. They're way better on gas. You can see this truck's clean inside and out. I'd like to invite you in, come check out our 2018 Tacoma. You can send me an email, chat@stouffvilletoyota.ca.